We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. Story time is starting now. We clap and sing hello. Hello, everyone. It's Heidi from the Corvallis-Benton County Public Library, and thank you for joining me for another story time. Today, our story is about a bear, because this is the time of the year when bears are hibernating. So we're going to begin with a rhyme with our hand. So I want you to hold up your hand into a fist with your thumb sticking out. And the rhyme goes like this. Here is a cave. Inside is a bear. Now he comes out to get some fresh air. He stays out all summer in sunshine and heat. He hunts in the forest for berries to eat. When snow starts to fall, he hurries inside his warm little cave, and there he will hide. Snow covers the cave like a fluffy white rug. Inside the bear sleeps all cozy and snug. Okay, let's do that one more time. Here is a cave. Inside is a bear. Now he comes out to get some fresh air. He stays out all summer in sunshine and heat. He hunts in the forest for berries to eat. When snow starts to fall, he hurries inside his warm little cave, and there he will hide. Snow covers the cave like a white fluffy rug. Inside the bear sleeps, all cozy and snug. All right. Now the story we are going to read is Bear Snores On, and it is written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. It is published by Margaret K. McElderry Books, which is an imprint of Simon & Schuster. So we thank them for giving us permission to share this story with you today. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Can you make a snoring sound? An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And that's the story, Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. All right, well, we're gonna do a song about where is Brown Bear, and I have a brown bear right here. And so the song goes like this. Where is Brown Bear? Where is Brown Bear? Here I am, here I am. How are you this winter? Very sleepy, thank you. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Let's do that one more time. Where is Brown Bear? Where is Brown Bear? Here I am, here I am. How are you this winter? Very tired, thank you. Go to sleep, go to sleep. All right. Well, thank you for joining me for Storytime. I hope that you can be as cozy as the bear this winter. And I hope you have a great day. And we'll see you the next time. So let's sing. We wave and sing goodbye. We wave and sing goodbye. Storytime is over now. We wave and sing goodbye. Bye, everyone.